Welcome. I'm George Pierce. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a long-time viewer, it is great to have you here. And this video is about Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is a new way that you can create videos, short videos for Facebook. And you're about to see just how easy that is. And stick with me for your bonuses. There are 3 bonuses. One is how to set up a Facebook page if you don't have a Facebook page. Also about how to create what are called faceless videos. This is a way you can create videos for TikTok, for YouTube, for Facebook Reels without even getting in front of a camera. I'll also be sharing with you my #1 choice for making money from home. First thing I want to do is share with you some exciting news and some exciting details about Facebook Reels. What is Facebook Reels? Again, it's short videos that are under 60 seconds that you can post on Facebook. These are videos that are amusing, that are funny, trendy, and with sound bites. Facebook Reels is the fastest growing segment of Facebook. So your videos have a potential of going viral. That's an exciting benefit of Facebook Reels because it gives you the opportunity to get a whole lot of exposure, drive a lot of traffic to your YouTube channel, to your website, to your blog, to your offer, and so on. This is still in the works, but according to Facebook, they are creating an opportunity for creators to make money from their Reels. They have a Reels Play bonus program that is part of a $1 million investment. It's going to pay eligible creators to $35,000 a month, and that's based on views of their qualifying reels. Based on my research, a qualifying reel is one that gets over 1,000 views within 30 days. Another thing that's going to happen soon is that Meta is going to allow viewers of Facebook Reels to send stars to the creator. For every star that the creator receives, that's actually worth a penny. Over thousands or millions of views, that can add up. Presently, in order for you to be able to make money with this, you need to be invited. In other words, this is an invitation-only program at the moment. And posting on Facebook Reels is extremely easy. We're going to get to that next. If you like this video, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big old thumbs up if you would. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thank you. And if you haven't joined my channel, consider joining my channel. This channel focuses on making money from home. If that's of interest to you, join my channel. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever a new video is published. Back to our video. In order to post a video on Facebook or on Facebook Reels, go to your Facebook page or your Facebook fan page, business page, and so on. And below the comment box, you'll see Reel, R-E-E-L, and click on Reel. Next is to click on Add Video. Click on that, find your video, and click Open. You can also drag and drop your video. Click Next. If you need to trim, go ahead and trim your video, and then click Next again. Add your description. Decide if you want your video to go public. Typically, I would leave that as public, and decide whether you want that to be available for remix, and I would leave that as well. And click on Publish, and congratulations. It's that simple. You've just published your first Facebook Reel video. And this brings us to your bonus. And as mentioned, your bonus is how to set up a Facebook page. You'll find a link below to a video that's going to cover that, and it'll take you step by step through the process. Again, real simple, real easy. Just follow the step, and you can set it up in just a few minutes. You'll also find a link below to a training series about how you can create what are called faceless videos. These are videos that you can create without having to get in front of a camera and without having to spend any money. So you'll find a link below to that training series, and you'll also find a link below to my #1 choice, my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money from home. This is a way that you can go from $0 to $10,000 in 3 to 4 months. You'll see a link where it says Start Here. Click that link and I'll send you the details. If you haven't given this video a big old thumbs up, if you haven't given it a like yet, please do that. Please don't forget to to hit that like button. Thank you so much. Allow me once again to invite you to join this channel so that you're not going to miss out on any of these videos. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you, and I'll see you in the next video.